channel You Seafood. Let's see. Today we're going to have steamed eggs. That's one of my favorite Korean dishes. But we're going to make it very delicious, fluffy, and very interesting. The ratio that you need to think about is, what I like to do is you use 5 to 3. So it'd be 10 to 6 comparison. So this, you would say, is about 10. So this will be about 6 on ratio. So what you simply do is just mix. Just keep mixing thoroughly. Now, after mixing thoroughly, we're going to take this to the stove and we're going to turn the heat on to medium and cover it with lid. Now, take a look at this. I've been cooking this for about 7 minutes. So when you see it rise like that when you take the lid off, this is when you want to turn the fire off. Turn the heat off, I should say, and then add some cheese on top. Oh, look at that. Then when that's done, all you do is simply cover it with lid for about 10 to 15 seconds. Wow, take a look at this. See how the cheese has melted? Now, as you're seeing how we cooked this was, we didn't add any salt on this, because the reason for that is we added cheese, so cheese is salty enough. But if you want to add it, but I'm not going to do it. Now, wow. Wow, look at that. Now, when you make eggs like this, see how fluffy that is? Very, very soft, very fluffy. It's a little bit hot. Mmm. Wow. Wow. Very soft, very fluffy, very delicious. So damn good. So try some with cheese. Mmm. Flavoring is perfect. Absolutely perfect. Wow. Melted cheese on a fluffy steamed egg. So good. Mmm. Mmm. This is really great. The thing about this is, if you add too much water, it gets too watery. But if you don't add enough water, it gets burnt. It doesn't taste good. So this ratio is just perfect, perfect. It's really good, very soft, and a little hot, so be careful. Mmm. Mmm. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See you again.